So good day everyone. Today I'm going to present to you my video discussion for the final examination of problem solving in mathematics, mathematical investigation, and also in mathematical modeling together with its corresponding answer. So question number 1, a committee of 5 is to be formed from group of 10 people. If 2 of the members refuse to serve together, how many such committees can be formed? So with the use of scientific calculator, the solution will be 2 ways to select 5 members from 10 is equal to um, permutation of 10 over 5, the quantity of 10 minus 5 permutation is equal to 252. And second, we have to subtract the cases where the two specific numbers, say A and B, are both selected. So first, if A and B are selected, 3 more members are chosen from the remaining. So it will be 56. Then afterwards, we have to subtract 252 to 56, so the answer is 210. So letter D. Second question, to solve the system of equation for real x and y, x plus y is equal to 7 and x is equal to 10. What is x squared plus y squared? So we all know that the value of x is 5 and the value of y is 2, so it will be 7. So x plus y 10, the 2 times 5, diba 10? What is x squared plus y squared? So it will be, the answer will be 29. Then letter C, so question number 3. A company's revenue in thousands of dollars is given. R of x is 2x squared plus 4x, where x is the number of units produced and sold in thousands. What number of units maximize revenue? So we have to use the formula. So revenue is to maximize the vertex of parabola since the quadratic has a negative coefficient of -2. So the formula of the x coordinate and vertex is x is equal to b. Negative b is all over 2a, where a is -2 and b is 40, so it will be 10. So the maximum revenue, of course, when x is 10, so the answer is letter B, 10. Number 4, an investment of $P coordinating to A is equal to P, the quantity of 1 plus R over N raised to the power of NT. If $1,000 is invested at the annual rate of 5%, compounded quarterly, what is the amount after 5 years? So in our mathematical investigation, it is been tackled. So the solution with the use of formula is equal to 1,283.36. So the answer is letter C. So number 5, the supply of function S of P is 2P plus 4 and the demand function of D of P is 20 minus P. What is the equilibrium price? So the equilibrium S of P is D of P is equal to 2P plus 4 is equal to 20 minus P. So we have to solve for P. So 3P is equal to 16. So P is equal to 16 over 3. So the answer is 5 for 33. It is approximately 7. I don't know what happened. Check it. So 6. A rectangular garden has a perimeter of 100 meters. What are the dimensions that maximize the area? So the solution is let the length x and width y, the perimeter is 2, the quantity of x plus y is equal to 100, so x plus y is equal to 50. And we have to solve for the value of y, so y is equal to 50 minus x, and the area A is equal to x times y is equal to x, the quantity of 50 minus x is equal to 50x minus x squared. So the area is maximized at the vertex of the parabola is equal to x minus the negative b over 2a is equal to negative, substitute the value 50 all over 2 times the quantity of -1 is equal to 25. So y is equal to 50 minus 25, so the answer is 25. So the garden is a square with size of 25, so the answer is letter C, 25 times 25. So let's move forward to question number 7. How many liters of 60% solution must be added to 10 letters of 30% solution to make 50% solution? So the answer is letter A, 10. Next, the population of a city is modeled by P, quantity of P, 5,000 raised to the power of 0.2x, where T is measured in years. What is the population after 10 years. So after 10 years, the population will be 6,735. So number 9, it takes one worker 6 hours to complete a task, and another worker 4 hours to comprehend the same task. How long will it take to complete the task if they work together? So the answer is letter A, 2.4 hours. Number 10, a company manufactures X unit of the produce at a cost by C x is equal to 5x squared minus 300x plus 10,000. What is the number of units and maximizes the cost? So the answer is 50. Letter D. On 11, a ball is thrown upward. The initial vertex 20 and the height after t seconds given to h of t is equal to negative 5t squared plus 20t. When does the ball reach its maximum height? So it will reach the maximum height of 1s. Letter A. The temperature of an object cooling down modeled by T of t is equal to 20 plus 8, the quantity of 80 minus 20 raised to the power of negative 0.1 t, where t is a minutes. What is the temperature after 10 minutes? So the answer is letter B, 36 degrees. 13. A ladder leaning against a wall makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground if the base of the ladder is 5 meters away from the ball. How long is the ladder? So the ladder is 5 square root of 3, letter D. 14. First wheel has a radius of 20 meters. A person is the height of h of t above the ground, given that h of t is equal to 20 plus 20 sine the quantity of pi all over 10t minus the pi over 2, where t is in seconds. How long does it take the person to complete the revenue? Using the scientific calculator and also the formula, the answer will be 20s. Letter B. A building casts a shadow of 30 meters when the angle of elevation of the sun is 40 degrees. What is the height of the building? So the height of the building is 30 meters. Letter B. A water tank is the shape of cone based on a base radius of 3 meters and height of 10 meters. What is the volume of the tank? So the volume of the tank using the formula of the volume is letter C, 94.2 meter cube, since its volume dapat cube. 17. A cylindrical storage tank has a radius of 5 meters and height of 12 meters. What is the total surface area of the tank, including the top and bottom? So, using the formula, we garner the answer of 565 meters squared. Letter C. 18. A farmer has 10 meters of fencing and enclose a rectangular field. What are the dimensions of the rectangular that will maximize the area of the field? The answer is letter B, 25 meters times 25 meters. Number 19. A person standing 50 meters away from the base of a building observes the top of the building at an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. How tall is the building? So, the building is 43.3 meters. Number 20. A company revenue of selling X units of product modeled by the function R of X is equal to 100x minus 0.5x squared, where X is the number of units sold. So the answer is letter C. So problem number 21. The population of P of T of a species is modeled by the logistic root equation. P of the quantity of T is K all over 1 plus K minus P all over E sub 1. It's not clear in this paper, sorry, where P is the initial population or R growth of rate, K is the carrying capacity of the environment. If a species has a carrying capacity of 1,000 individuals, an initial population of 50 and a growth rate of 0.1, how long will it take to the population to reach 500? So in years. So here is the solution. First, you have to substitute the value of logistic growth equation. So 500 is equal to 1,000 all over 1 plus E, raised to the power of negative 0.1 times T minus T sub 0. So rearrange and isolate the value of E. Then 1 plus E raised to the power of negative 0.1 times T minus T sub 0 is equal to 2. So the answer will be 1. Then take the natural logarithmic using the calculator. negative 0.1, the quantity of t minus t sub 0 is equal to ln of quantity of 1 is equal to 0. So for t is approximately 15.4 years. So the answer is letter A. Number 22. A company manufactures the total cost function of C of x for producing x units given by C of x 200 plus 15x plus 0.1 x squared, where 200 is the fixed cost, 15x is the variable cost per unit, and the 0.1 x squared accounts for additional costs that increase with the number of units produced. What is the cost to produce 1000 widgets? So the solution using the scientific calculator is that first we have to substitute the value of x is equal to 100 into the cost function. So C times the quantity of 100 is equal to 200 plus 15, the quantity of 100, plus 0.1, the quantity of 100 squared. So simplify, so the answer will be 2,700. So it will be letter, since there's no 2,700 here, so the answer key shows that the answer is 1,250. And number 23, a plant's growth is modeled by the equation of h of t is equal to 3e raised to the power of 0.1 x, where h of t represent the height of the plant in centimeters of time t in days. If the plant starts at a height of 10 centimeter, what is the height be after 5 years? So first we have to substitute the value of t is equal to 5 into the growth equation. So the equation is already given. Then the answer is 3e raised to the power of 0.5, approximately 1.6487. So the answer here in the answer case 18.4 centimeters. Letter B. Number 24. A car travels distance of d in kilometers based on the time t in hours. It has been driving according to the equation t is equal to 60 plus 5, where 60 is a constant speed term and 5 represent the initial distance before the car started moving. How far will the car be after 3 hours? So the answer will be, first we have to substitute the value of t into 3 and to the distance equation, since the equation there's a given equation. So d of 3 is equal to 60 times 3 plus 5, so it will be 185 kilometers. The answer is letter B. Number 25. A company's profit P of x based on the equation of units x sold is given by the function P of x equal to negative 0.5 x squared plus 20x minus 20. How many units must be the company sell to maximize its profit? So the solution will be, first, the profit function is a quadratic equation that opens onward, negative 0.5 x squared, and the x coordinate of the vertex gives the number of its units maximized profit. So we have here x is equal to negative b over 2a, where a is negative 0.5 and b is 12. And after that, we have to substitute. The answer is equal to 12 units. Letter B. Number 26. A saving account earns a compound interest amount in a year after t years is modeled by the equation a of t is equal to 5,000, the quantity of 1 plus 0.05 over 4 raised to the power of 40, where the principal is $5,000 and the interest rate is 5%, and the interest is compounded quarterly. What is the amount in the account after 10 years? So compounded quarterly means 4 times, correct? So the answer will be 8,207.02. Based on the we can garner the answer by simply substituting the value. And 27. A chemical reaction rate R of t is in a laboratory experiment is modeled by the equation R of t is equal to 0.5 r squared plus 3t plus 2, where t is the temperature in degrees Celsius. What is the production rate when the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius? So the answer is letter B, 150. Number 30. A small business has a fixed cost of $5,000 per month and a variable cost of $20 per product sold. If the business sells X products, its total cost is given by C of X is equal to 5,000 plus 20X. The business sells each product for $50. What is the number of the product X the business must sell to break even? So the answer for this is letter C, 200 products. 31. A student takes out a loan of $10,000 and an annual interest. Annual means once a year. Rate 5,000 compounded monthly, so 12. What is the total amount of pay to be paid after 3 years if the loan is to be paid off in an equation monthly installments? So the answer is letter C, 12,500. Then an investor deposits 5,000 in an account earning 6% interest compounded annually. How much will be the investment to be worth after 10 years? So after 10 years, the investment will be letter B, $9,000. A city's air population level PFT in micrograms per cubic meter is modeled by the equation PFT is equal to 5e raised to the power of negative 0.05 t, where t is the time in hours. What is your air population level after 10 hours? So after 10 hours, it will be 25 micrograms. Letter A. So 34. A city plans to optimize the traffic flow from a major intersection by implementing a new traffic signal system. The number of vehicles n of t passing through the intersection of per minute is modeled by the equation n of t is equal to 400 times the quantity of 1 minus e raised to the negative 0.1 t, where t is the time in minutes after a signal change. How many vehicles pass through the intersection in 10 minutes? So in 10 minutes, it will be 200 vehicles. Letter B. 35. A car consumes a fuel rate of 8 liters per 100 kilometers. How much fuel will the car consumes when traveling a distance of 250 kilometers? So the answer is letter C, 20 liters. The cost, 26. The cost of C of X of producing X units of a product is given by the function C of X is 2,000 plus 5x plus 0.05x squared, where 2,000 is the fixed cost, 15x is the variable cost, and 0.5x squared is the cost associated with the scale of production. What is the cost producing 100 units? So the answer is letter B. So question number 37. A company produces two types of products, the type A and type B. Each unit of type A requires 2 hours of labor and 3 units of raw material, while each unit of type B requires 4 hours and labor of 2 minutes of the raw material. The company has a total of 100 hours of labor and 120 units of raw materials available. What is the maximum number of products, type A and type B, the company can produce without exceeding the available resources? So the answer is letter B, 30. 38. A car travels at 60 km per hour for 2 hours and then 80 km per hour for 3 hours. What is the average speed of the car from the entire journey? The answer is letter B, 72 km per hour. And number 39, a rectangular garden has a length of 10 meters and width of 5 meters. If the length is increased by 20% and the width is increased by 10%, what will be the length of the new area of the garden? So the length of the new area of the garden is letter C, 65 meters squared. A box containing 4 red balls, 5 green balls, and 6 blue balls. If one ball is selected in random, what is the probability that the ball selected in green? So the answer is letter A, 5 quantity all over 15. 5 is to 15. 41. A factory produces the items and 3% rate? If 200 items are produced, how many items are expected to be defective? So the answer is letter B, 6. 42 students scored 72, 83, and 90. So adding we have to try an error. And the first 3 exams, what score must be the student get on the 4th exam to average 80? So the answer is letter C, 85. 78. 43. A store offers 25 discount on a jacket price of $200 to $120. What is the price of the after the discount? So after the discount, the price will be $90. So a car value of depreciates at 10% each year. If the car is initially worth $20,000, what will be the worth after 2 years? So the worth after 2 years is letter A, $16,200. A triangle has two sides measure 5 cm and 12 cm, and the angle between them is 60 degrees. What is the area of a triangle? So the area of a triangle is letter B, 20 centimeters squared. A bag contains 3 red, 5 green, and blue marbles. If a marble is picked at random, what is the probability it is green? 46, letter A. 47. A price calls for 3 cups of flour to make 4 servings. And how many cups of flour are needed to make 10 servings? So the answer is letter A, 7.5 cups. Which of the following statement is the most general form of Pythagorean theorem? The most general form of Pythagorean theorem is letter A. The square of the hypotenuse is the sum of squares of the other 2 sides. What is the sum of 10 items of the arithmetic sequence? So we have to add, and then ang kuan nila is 3. Right? Ang gap. So the answer is letter C, 72. Which of the following graphs represent the equation of y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3? So the answer is graph represent. So unsa siya nga represent? The letter B, a parabola that opens upward. Number 51. How many distinct permutations can be made with the letters in the word mathematics? So the answer is letter B, 52. A ball is thrown straight up to the initial velocity of 20. The height of the ball after t squared is given by the equation h of t is equal to 20t minus 5t squared. What is the height of the ball after 2 seconds? So the height of the ball after 2 seconds is 20 meters. Letter C. A population of bacteria triples every 4 hours. If the initial population is 100 bacteria, what is the population after 12 hours? So after 12 hours, the population of the bacteria will be 2,700. Ready. 54. The volume V of a cylinder is modeled by the formula V is equal to pi r squared h, where r is the radius and h is the height. If the height of the cylinder is doubled, how does this affect the volume? This affects the volume by the volume is also doubled. So kay doubled man ang gibutang. So 55. A factory produces 200 units of product per day. If the cost of population increased by 5% every month, what will be the cost of production after 3 months? If the initial cost is $5,000 per month. So the answer is letter A, $5,778.25. 56. A car value of depreciation would be 15% every year. If the car initial value is $20,000, what is the car's value after 5 years? So after 5 years, the car's value will be $8,000. Letter C. So, number 57, the relationship between the pressure P, volume V, and temperature T of a gas is given by the initial gas law. PV is equal to nRT, where N is the number of moles of the gas and R is the gas constant. If the pressure and volume are constant, what happens to the temperature when the number of moles is doubled? So, the temperature will be, letter C, the temperature has also doubled. 58. A researcher is studying the decay of radioactive substance. The decay follows an exponential model. N of t is equal to n sub 0, E is equal to raised to the power of E negative k and t, where n sub 0 is the initial amount of the substance, k is the decay of the constant, and t is time. The half of the substance decays in 5 hours. What decay constant k? So the answer is letter A. So A is equal to ln, the quantity of 2 over 5. 59. A water tank has a capacity of 5,000 liters. If the tank is being filled at the rate of 200 liters per hour, how long will it take to fill the tank? So it will long for 25 hours. Letter B. 60. A committee of 5 is to be formed from a group of 10 people. If the members refuse to serve together, how many such committees can be formed? So, item 60 is the same with item number 1. I already explained how we get the answer from number 1. So, it's just the same process with number 60. So, the answer is letter D, 210. So, that will be all for the explanation from the problem solving test. So thank you and God bless.